Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Instagram just upped the game with its latest feature, Gold Notes. If you are ready to add some extra flair to your Instagram experience, I have got you covered. In just a few simple steps, I will show you how to get these eye-catching gold notes in your account. It's a brand new feature, so let's explore it together and make your notes stand out. Once you have opened up your Instagram account, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Once you are in your profile, go to the notes. Here, you must add the word gold to avail the gold update. Then, when you are shared, and voila, there you go, you have unlocked the gold notes on Instagram. Now you are ready to impress everyone with your note you share. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be covering all the latest Instagram updates. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks.